Hello, people of YouTube. My name is Bob Benson, and I just learned how to burp on command. Pretty awesome. Watch.
Stop that burping, you.
That's mean. And just for that, I'm gonna continue it.
Hey, you, I told you to stop. And you need to jam out.
Jam it out. I think that you permanently enlarged this pillow into the side of my neck. Look at this. Look at this. This painful.
Okay. Let's move back to the station.
Okay. I think I'm good now. Okay.
Hey, you. I told you to stop that. And I told you
To jam out. Look, I don't like how you are treating me. So take this, you.
Oh.
I think I got her. Goodbye, YouTube.